Want to know how to create an AI agent that generates you fiction or microfiction stories? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website. So we have also created some videos regarding AgentGPT, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now, once everything is on and once you're on this interface, you should be on the deployment tab by default, and you can just simply name a GPT anything. So since we are creating a story GPT, just simply type in story GPT, and now we are creating a microfiction story. So we need a plot for that. So you can just simply copy paste this prompt. So as you can see right here, our goal is to generate a 3 to 5 microfiction stories. So you can just simply customize your word as you want, and then the theme. So you can just simply type anything that you want. Now, each story should have a clear beginning, conflict, and ending as well. So you can just simply select enter once that is done, and now it should create your prompt and it should create your agent, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.